I'm at the Apollo Theater. We're getting ready to have the show for Haiti, Haiti Relief. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be exciting. I'm excited. Yeah, so we're doing just about to do our sound check. About to do it, and you guys should be here. You guys really should be here. You missing out. Haiti, come in.
Yep, this is my fam. We're over there at the Apollo Theater. We had the honor and privilege to be part of an event to raise funds for Haiti. It was produced by Community to Community and Summers Production, called it Hope for the Future at the Apollo Theater. The host of it was Liz Black. She was wonderful. Robert Keane was there, Curtis Hayward, C3C Boots, Thurston Daniels, Mecca, DJ Hart and Harry, myself in the choir, Yaz Band, Wisdom, Wanda Nash, Levon Nichols, Coalition, Robin Campbell, Adante Powers, a dance group called Evidence, and disco icon Gloria Gaynor.
And then there was light. 15 minutes.
Yeah, I do. The rest of the light is better than that. Those lights are hot.
What does it look like?
Yo, I'm recording, but you're like you're about to take a picture.
Oh, a video blog on a Christian website in this Dickson.
This is
fun. So yeah, we are live at the Apollo, Haitian Mass, community to community for Haiti. Trying to raise mad money. We got Hot 97 down here. Gloria Gaynor is here. We have there's a whole bunch of people. Talented dancers, actors, singers. There's a play supposedly going on. There's a
play for real.
Yeah, so I heard.
Play skit by guy?
Yeah, like this little skit, 5-minute skit. And you see this doofus over here. This is right. You reach over there and pick his nose one time.
Yeah, punch out 11, punch out 7. Punch out 7. You don't see me? You don't see me? You see me? You see me?
You put your faces on?
This is called the green room behind me. Ask me why it's called the green room. I don't know. Is it green to you? No, it's gray. It's called green rooms, gray rooms. These two right here, that's chilling right here. Bob and Sidoni, this is chilling. This is what's called the green room. Why is this called the green room?
Actually, because this is where all the people that generate the money come in to mingle, eat, and so in essence, the green room is where the money lies. You know what I mean?
OMG. Got y'all. Got y'all right here. Jason. Bishop, how you, sir? I know. And this is where they're hiding out over here.
Yeah, we're hiding out.
Are they holding you hostage?
Nah.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
What up?
I just took a mean number 2 just now. OD'd on it, son.
Got the Apollo, you know.
These two were sisters, right?
When they come off the stage, only with the HTC you can do that.
See that? That looks dope.
Let's get up and walk away.
This is our 30th protest.
Yo, Shane, send me that black and white, sir.
And they go Jazz right there. Look at Jazz. See Jazz there? Walking through the green light. Hi, Jazz. Kervin's going over there bothering the people. He want makeup for his head.
Watch how True Haitian says, okay, watch the snap of the finger. Bam!
I'm next. I have powder 5. Take away the shine. Yes.
right now, get ready to go on, and they get ready to call us. And our guitar player's not here yet. He's not here. His name is Zeke. If y'all see him, please tell him that we're waiting for him backstage. I'll tell you. This is the famous log.
I seen this. I'm coming out of school.
This is the famous log. This is the log that people touch. See how dirty it is? It's dirty from everybody's touching it. Probably got lower because everybody's touching this dirty. And you gotta have Purell after you touch that. So many people touch that. Everybody touched it. Oh my gosh. But Jesus didn't touch it. Ah, Shondo!
Well, we're about to go on. So we're backstage, getting ready to go on after a dance group is on. And we just, in the back, just bugging out. And that's Elisha. He just gotta be Elisha. And if his twin brother Elijah was there, oh, it'd be a wrap. Crazy.
Jésus, sous promesse li nous camper. On nous dit tout ça qui peut qu'on connaît. Pas que yon l'homme monde qui qu'a fait hier. Si nous voulons gagner victoire, ça faut nous ouvrir bouche nous pour nous témoigner. Jésus seul qui a sauvé Haïti. N'a pas de problème qui est difficile pour lui. Dans la tristesse, les potes et la joie, toute maladie, les cap guérir. Jésus seul qui a sauvé Haïti, yeah, sauvé Haïti, oh. Parole, bon Dieu, fait nous songer. Israël devant la mer rouge, ennemi des fin enragé. Il peut crier chouchou yo rouge, mais ça bien maintenant histoire. Bon Dieu, pas t'abandonner yo. Moïse te levé bâton en l'air. T'as pas l'autre bégué, so you te connaissent like the bad giving. Et puis Israël t'est traversé.
So we're at the Apollo Theater tonight. We sang that with a wonderful time, blessings. They had a great thing for Haiti. They're trying to raise as much money as possible for a well in Haiti. And you know, that's like nature. This is where everything gets down at. This is the Apollo Theater where everything was down. We had a concert tonight. It was dope. I couldn't take the concert because I was in the auditorium place. That's 3 floors. 1, 2, and then 3. This is how they get down at the Apollo Theater.
Jésus seul, les gars sauvés, les gars sauvés, sauvé Haïti. Les gars sauvés, les gars sauvés, sauvé Haïti. Les gars sauvés, les gars.
Community to Community is doing an awesome job, doing what they can to help rebuild Haiti. And Haitian Mass is proud and honored to have played a role in the success of that evening.
Changer Haïti. Les gars changer Haïti. Les gars changer